right, so I wanted to explain how this works really quick, because I don't think I've been doing the best job at explaining that. So how this works now, I made a few revisions. I talked to one of the emergency responders in our group, and she's been extremely helpful. So how this works now is there's a groove here on the front, kind of an inset. You can kind of see it there. And same thing on the other side. And because this whole thing is made out of silicone, it's all flexible. So the plan is that you can take your filter material here, like this, and it will set into that groove. And that by itself is most likely not enough to hold it in place and also make sure that it's properly sealed. So there's also going to be a second small plastic piece. This could be 3D printed, laser cut, really whatever they want you to do. And then this piece just sets into there. And that clips in underneath the silicone and holds it in place and compresses it against there. And on the back, you can see that it's retained there, and you've got hopefully enough area there to breathe. I try to make it wide enough so that the silicone would actually flow when I put in the molds. But again, I'm going to have to do some testing with this. This is just the first version. And then these little pegs up here are used for mounting it to your face. This uses the same buttonhole elastic we're using in all of our face shields. It goes over that and then can loop around your head down here. So if you have any questions, let me know. I think I also have the mold open. Yeah, here's the mold. So these are just two 3D printed parts. And you can put them together like so. And then you have a little pour on the top here for pouring that in. A few bolt holes around the outside so you can bolt it together, so you can let it cure. And then a few holes around the perimeter here for going through and knocking out the dowel pins. So this should make it really easy and really cheap to make several hundred of these quickly. You only need a lot of molds. That's all you need. So there's all that geometry in there, and same thing on this side. So it should be fairly easy for anyone to print out and get started on and get going. All right, thank you. Let me know what you think.